Oh, got him. Got him. I got bait. Good trout, dude. What's up, guys? Welcome to Fish Just Got Real. My name's Jono. Man, it's a beautiful day today. The plan is try and get some bait and just kind of get out here. I see some birds diving now, so we're gonna see what we could do. All right, take two, trying to get this bait. This is gonna be a struggle, bro. Guys, I may have just done it. I may have just done it. I got bait. Oh yeah. Awesome. Let's go. All right. A lot of people like to hook these guys in the tail fin. I'll do it too. See how it works out. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like hooking them in the face is better. But I kind of want them to swim down. When they're like this, they swim down easier. Oh, got him. Got him. Oh, no. Yeah. There you go. Oh, no, you don't. Yes, sir. This is a nice one. Oh, jeez, my line's all tangled. Oh, wow, he inhaled that. Nice. Dude, he might be keeper. He might be legal. Yep, 15, max size 19, but you can keep one over limit. So, if he's over, I don't think I'll keep him though today. But, oh man, he might be over. He's kind of big. Let's see what we got here. Oh, nope. He's perfect. He's right about 18. It's perfect fish, dude. Hey, I'm not mad at it. I'll take it. We'll throw him in the cooler. I like to brain them before I just leave them in the cooler. That way there, put them out of their misery. He's going in there. Dude, that's really decent. That is really decent. What is that? Oh, another trout. I don't think we're gonna catch anything else around here. Nope. Like half an inch too small. I don't know what that was. Got him. He's a little guy. Oh, there we go. Nice. Unhooked himself. Just shocked that live bait is not getting touched. That's just crazy. And this thing here is like, you just throw it out there. Oh, that's a good one. Oh man, it's a dink. He hits it. They hit it like it's a 20-incher. Oh, there we go. My guy. I always think they're decent when they're like a dink. Yeah, at least I know where the trout are. Already? Man, it's like as soon as that touched the water. I guess these guys are hungry. This is solid. That was crazy. I don't know if the camera would have picked that up, but that was a huge explosion over there. We're gonna go check it out. There's gotta be other fish here. I can't just keep catching the same fish. There's gotta be something else out here. Oh my. There's gotta be something else out here. That's actually a decent trout, dude. What size is this guy? Technically legal, but he's too close to the line to me. Get out of here, dude. Be free. Got him. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So you're strong? Oh yeah, he's strong. That's a good fish. What the? This might be legal. Once again, inhaled it. Trying to help you, my guy. Actually, I'm trying to eat you. So I get it. Oh yeah. He about almost 17. Yeah, he's a keeper. Alright. Got 2 trout. That's solid for the day. Probably won't keep any more fish. but I will keep catching them. Feels good to put some fish in the cooler for once. Come on, this misery. Throw them in the bag. I went down with hook size, so 1/0, and let me see. Just hook them right through here. Here, off to the side. Sometimes that's all it takes. Just go down in size. That's a good trout. That's a really good one. Let me see what size you are. Nope, you're not even legal. So back you go. Good. Bro, this changes a lot. If I'm able to just throw my cast net for my kayak and get bait every time, this really changes a lot. Yeah, this one's over the limit. There we go. Let's see if I can get a measure on him. Oh yeah. Oh, you know what? He's not even 19. He's 18. So yeah, we'll keep him. We'll limit out on trout today. Hey, overall, good day. I'm not mad at it. I didn't catch anything else, but these fish are fun to catch and tasty to eat. So we'll cook him up and then throw him in the cooler. Good trout, dude. Now pour some salt water in here because that creates like a slushy environment that keeps the fish really good quality. If you put salt water instead of fresh water. Also salt keeps the temperature really cold, like I think it's below freezing. It's a good way to store your fish when you're traveling. Alright guys, solid day. Got 3 trout, got our limit. And yeah, we're gonna head out now and probably just go home and cook up these trout. So stay tuned for that. Alright, what's up guys? We just got back from our trip. Unfortunately, we will not be eating this fish today. Gab had dinner prepared for us when we got home. I don't know if she thought I wasn't bringing fish home or what, but the food was delicious and I'm very thankful for it. And she is standing right there watching me. But we got 1, 2 and 3 trouts.
Hey guys, if you made it this far, I just want to say thanks for watching. Recently we've been getting a lot of engagement and I just want to say thanks. And if you want to help the channel grow, just hit that like and subscribe and maybe comment how you would cook some trout.
Jano caught some fish yesterday. He caught some trouts. So here's that lovely meat for you. And he asked me if I can cook it. So we're gonna make some sinigang, which is a Filipino sour soup. And it's pretty easy to make, so let's just go through the ingredients. We have a couple tomatoes, a couple jalapenos, because we like a little kick. Personally, I do, you don't have to, but I also got red onion and yellow onion, spinach for veggies, fish sauce to taste, and then this is pretty much, you know, the main event is sinigang mix, so this is tamarind seasoning mix, which is gonna add that sourness to our soup. So let's go ahead and get started. So we cut all our fish here. Alright, and now we are gonna go heat the pot up, cook some of this veggies, and then get going. We are just gonna do a little mixy mix. This really doesn't take that long to cook, so it's beautiful, but I'm trying to be more careful when I mix it because you don't want to break the fish. So I did slice this into halves, and I'm just gonna throw it in here because I want a little kick. And then I'm just gonna let it boil, and then it should be ready soon. You want some fish sauce on top of it or no?
Sure.
Huh?
Sure.
No, it's okay.
Why?
Because I know you. It's fresh fish.
That's good.
Yeah.
Like it?
Nice. Alright, anything else I should do for this video?
Let's eat your food.
Okay.
Thank you.